Damn, man, it's hot out here, man. First things first, we gotta move the big, bad, and powerful in this bitch. I just found this hat I forgot I had. Está todavía en chicharronada and shit. Pinche sol se la comió, probably. I don't know if you can see it. Is this thing still black? Ahora sí ya le toca chona, aprender chona. Ah, no le jaló, a ver, let me find the bitch dead. So I'm gonna just give you a quick update. I know it's a big ass jump from like starting the video to right now, but goddamn, boy, it's hot. Man, it's a bitch trying to take everything off this truck, bro. Check this out. Got this piece off, lo que es siendo el middle valance, I guess, or valance or valence, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Got that right. Okay, probably asking yourself, why did I take this piece off? Okay, well, we're gonna take this emblem off, porque as you can see, ya está todo chicharronado, ya está todo cut. El sol se lo comió. It's been about like a year already. Ya es tiempo. And also, I'm gonna take the scoop off to rewrap it, porque también está todo jodido y comido. And I'm gonna take off this sticker too, so we can put a new one. No, I'm not getting rid of it. Pero, like I said, in order to take, yeah, this is the most craziest shit. In order to take this piece off, you have to take the grill off. And in order to take the grill off, you have to take this thing off. No mames, güey, no vale, Kyoto. There's a shitload of more tornillos. There's another one right here. Any motherfuckers are tight as shit. I think the last time I tightened these bitches with the impact, but ahora we gotta chingarle porque la impact I'm dead and I don't got time to be waiting para que se haga charge la verga. Pinche tornillo. Ah, la verga, se cayó. Pinche tornillito. So now, ya que todo está quitado right, this bitch should just pop right back out. Hold on. Okay, so now that we have that taken off, this bitch, it should slide right off. Let's see. I hope it. Ah, hell yeah. You see? Okay. Alright. Now it's completely off. Oh, wait, acá está el emblem. Shit. So now we're gonna turn this thing around. Aquí están los clips atrás, pa. Take all these clips off para quitarle el pinche emblem. Pero ahorita se los quito, ahorita vengo para atrás, no se desesperen. Okay, so I already popped off all the locks. So that should mean this thing should slide right out. There we go. Dang! I haven't seen this thing come out like about a year. Está todo chicharronado and shit. No hay pedo. Which one should I go with for the show? Should I go the black and gold? Or should I do the regular one with the chrome? My black one or my chrome one? I don't know. And you're probably wondering to yourself now, Breezy, how does the hood scoop come off? Well, shit, I'm about to show you. Check this shit out. Can't really see it much. Well, look, let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's a hood scoop, right? Correct. And this right here is the inside. It's probably a little bit more easier to show you. See, it has that one, and then it has that one, well, it has that one. We gotta like click them in. They have like these little things right here. Click them in, and then the bitch is gonna push out. So watch, look, I'm showing you right now. I just popped this thing off. Ya no están ahí los little holes. Ya que la voy a bajar. Se va a caer esta madre. Bitch is heaviest. Yeah, look. Sas, culero. Vámonos. Okay, ahora sí, ya, beautiful. Tenemos el hood scoop. Bien chicharronado, comido. Raspado from a few times I've dropped it. Nobody's business. El emblem que está super gold. Surprisingly, this bitch nunca se despintó, you know, pero, well, like, no se chicharronó como este. Because obviously they're two different golds. But now we're gonna wrap them the same. Está todo bien, so. Sas. Oh, yeah, I guess now it's just fucking close this damn thing. Well, shit. What's the point of closing is I'm gonna leave it like this, shit. And así es como quedó la pinche troca de último. I mean, it's cool though. It's just gonna get fixed. Gotta take that sticker off too. Take these fucking wheels off too. The rims is right here, player. As if we're gonna touch it up and shit. So we can get ready for OTM, player. But anyways, we're on our way right now to Homeboy Dom shop. I'm gonna go drop him off these pieces. So we're gonna go take them and get wrapped. So we just arrived to Dom shop. I came to drop off the las pieces, güey, las pieces. ¿Qué está pasando aquí? Hey, 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 hey. Oh shit!
Take a pic.
What's up, way? What's up, Pak?
In the cat.
Chillin'. What's up, Baggy? What's up, Richard?
What it do, player?
What's up, way? What's up, way? Pound it. No, pound it, way. Hell yeah. What the hell you doing, Dom?
Yeah, I've never done it before.
You don't know what you're doing?
No.
Oh, no mames, way. Hey, take that man off of that. What the fuck? Alright. Stop being scared, dog. Come on. Force that motherfucker in there. Oh! Damn, dog. There you go. Don't be scared, way. Yeah, yeah.
That makes you
I saw that movie last night, The Professional. Shit's sick, man.
The who?
The Professional.
Oh, the professional
Leon,
what?
the Professional.
What, professional what?
He's a hitman.
Oh. Because he hit.
Oh, I seen it. The one that died at
It's on
the end?
Netflix. Yeah, it's on Netflix right now. Dude, hey, you ought to. That's like from 1994, way.
With the little girl?
Yeah. That's what's her name? That's the girl from Star Wars, the princess. Breezy, what the hell are you?
I'm fixing it. I'm finishing it up for you. What the fuck?
Hey, Breezy, come work on the scooter, way.
Clean.
Man, that's pretty. Yeah, that's for sale, right, Saul?
Sure.
Oh, yeah?
Anything for sale.
Breezy's next giveaway right here.
RX-7, man.
RX-7.
Y'all even know what y'all doing? You do?
Let me show you something right now, Breezy.
Oh, man, nah. What's up, baby? What you doing? What you cranking?
You know what this is right here? This is the color of your teeth because you're a bad kid.
What?
So, shit. It's already another day. Got a lot of things to do yesterday. Got most of them done. Which is a good thing, you know, it's a very, very good thing. I just wanted to come on here real quick, say what's up to everybody, you know, thank you for the support. To everybody that watches these videos on YouTube and these vlogs, shit, and big thank you because, you know me, I don't post all the time, but I'm gonna try to do my best to start posting more now. But yeah, right now, ya tenemos todo listo, I already dropped out the pieces to get wrapped, gold, quedan las wheels left nomás that we're gonna drop off today to get them last touches, and then after that, I think the truck should be ready to it. Oh yeah, never mind. We gotta change like spark plugs and a bunch of little small maintenance stuff. But I mean, that's really nothing. So, I believe it's October 16th or 17th. One of those days. I gotta look back at the calendar thingy at the flyer. OTM October Truck Man is pulled up. I'll be stocked up with hella merch, everything, a bunch of little new stuff that's coming out too. It's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be badass, especially because it's the last one, you know, so it's gonna go down for sure. I'm actually also trying to have a badass little surprise for y'all for that day. That's what I'm working on mostly all this week too, to get that for y'all. It's hopefully y'all like it. Hopefully it'll be dope and shit. But yeah, all I know is that it's gonna go down. I'm gonna come back and do another video of it. I don't know about what, but we're gonna figure it out. For the meantime though, tap into soilmouth.com, cop some merch. If not, OTM around the corner, like I said, it's gonna go down. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Sideways Breezy or at Soilmouth. Keep updated with all the info and agárrame que me caigo. Saludos.